Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel C++ Zone. I hope that you guys are doing great. So in today's video we are going to learn about that what are data types that are used in C++ and how can we utilize the specific data types for the certain time period. So let's get started with the things. And before starting the video, I request you guys to please subscribe my YouTube channel C++ Zone and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any kind of update from my YouTube channel C++ Zone. So let's begin with the things. So first we need to open our compiler, that is dev C++. So I'm going to open my compiler. It's dev C++. I have opened the compiler and now I'm going to create a new source file. Now I am going to put some header files here, hash include iostream, then hash include conio.h, then using namespace std, after that int main, which is our main function, then get ch. Okay, so I've created a source file, but now we are going to learn about what are the data types. So data types are the concept that what kind of data you want to store, whether it is a numeric data or whether it is a character. And in numeric we can go with the terms that decimal and non-decimal, whether you want to store the data that is decimal or whether you want to store the data that is non-decimal, it's on you. And after that, whether you want to store a data that is character or whether it is a full string, so it's on you. So these are the data types. So basically for the basic purpose we got the 5 data types in C++. So namely, the first one is referred as integer, then float, then character, and then we have string, yes, and then we have bool. Okay, so we have 5 basic data types that we can use in C++, and we have more than 5, but basically these are 5. So the first one, which is integer, what is the characteristic of integer? So integer is used to store the non-decimal numbers. It will store all the non-decimal numbers. After that, float is used to store the decimal numbers. Okay, then character is used to store the single characters. Then we got string will store a character that is greater than 1, character greater than 1. Okay, then last but not the least, bool is used to store true false, but true false will be stored in form of 1 and 0. 1 will be recognized as true and 0 will be recognized as false. So 1 and 0. So integer has its own keyword that is referred as int. Float has its own keyword that is referred as float. Character has its own keyword that is referred as char. String has its keyword that is referred as string. String is a library too. So bool has a keyword that is referred as bool. So all these are the keywords that can be used for the utilization of any data type that you want. If you want to store a non-decimal number, you can go with integer, int. If you want to store a decimal number, you can go with float. If you want to store a single character, then you can go with char. If you want to store the character that is greater than 1, then you can go with string. And if you want to store the true and false, then you can go with bool. So that's all from today's video. I hope that you guys like the video. If you like the video, then do subscribe my YouTube channel C++ Zone, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any kind of update from my YouTube channel C++ Zone. Thank you.